Hey, welcome back. In the previous video, we created our projects folder with npm init-y, and we also did a git init. The git init part isn't mandatory, but it's a good habit to have in your development workflow when you're setting up your project. If you need help with installing Node, I have a video on my channel. You can check out the video here in the top right corner. And I'll also post it into the description down below. Now, if you're new to the channel, I post up tutorials, tips, and tricks for web development, especially for developers that are just getting started. So if that's the sort of content you're interested in, then please do subscribe to the channel. We'll start off by installing Express and NodeMon, and we can do that by npm install-d. We're installing it to the dev dependency, and we'll install Express and NodeMon. Hit enter there. Now that's done installing, we'll do touch app.js. This will create us our app.js file. What we'll do here is in our package.json, we'll create another script here. We'll name this start. We'll do node on app.js. This will start up our app.js using NodeMon. Save that for our app.js. Let's set up our Express. So we'll do, and we need Express, and we're requiring Express. And what we'll do here is we'll name a variable called app and Express. So this app will be using the Express package there. Save that. We'll need to listen to the app. So here we need app. We'll do listen. And here need to listen to port. We'll do 3000, and we'll create a arrow function here. And here we'll do console, and we'll jam in and port 3000. What we need to do is we need to create a route. We can do that by app.get, and we'll look at this endpoint here, or this URL, so the home. And what we'll do here is we're going to create an arrow function, and we get two parameters here. We get request and response. And here we'll do, on our response, we'll do send, and here we'll do app.js index page. And let's start this up. We'll do npm run start. So now we're listening to port 3000. Open up Chrome, and we'll do localhost. Now we have our server running with app.js. Okay, so that's running there. If we wanted to create another one, say, well, since we're doing an API, do API. This will be API index. If I do /API, that will bring up app.js API index page. Another thing I wanted to cover in this is middleware. So we'll do, to use a middleware, you do app.use. Okay, and we can specify a route as well. Let's do API. And arrow function, console.log API middleware. Okay, let me save that. I also need request, response, and I'll also do next. And this I'll do next. So anytime I'm on the API, we'll check down here, and it has the API. If I go to here, it won't run because it's specified to /API route. Now, if I did another one here that had nothing, so this would run on this all middleware. This runs every time, not just on API here. If I refresh this, we'll see all middleware here. If I go to /API, both of them should run. All middleware and API middleware both ran when it went to the API route. So that's an important concept that we'll need to use because we'll be using that throughout the tutorial series. I'm just going to make it full screen here. And let me save that. And I think I'll leave that here. In the next video, we'll take a look at structuring our app. So we'll take a look at different folder structure. We don't want to just place everything into this app.js. Next video, we'll do that. So I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Hey, if you've gotten this far, thanks for the support. This will help the channel grow. If you enjoyed the video, please remember to click the thumbs up button and leave a comment down below. To stay updated with the latest content from the channel, you can subscribe by clicking right here in the middle.